Hello, my loves. It's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today, we're going to go ahead and create a spread in my catch-all planner, which is called Sketchy Florals. It is a classic size happy planner, and it is for the week of January 27th through February 2nd. January flew by, you guys. So let's go ahead and create the spread. I am going for something easy this time. I have been doing these really full spreads and I love them. But at the same time, I don't mind something simple once in a while. So that's exactly what I'm going to be doing. I am going to be using the brand new sticker book, Winter Allure from Live Love Posh. As you guys know, I've been obsessed from the beginning with Live Love Posh stickers. So I wanted to use these like foresty trees with snow and like on the ground. I think these are so stunning and it gives like a fresh pop of color in my planner. So I'm gonna go ahead and prepare everything. So I have stickers, I have my checklist, I have my pen. So here we go. I'm gonna start with this big cluster of trees and it's going to go on the bottom. Also, if this is your first time joining my channel, welcome. I'm so happy you're here. If you have been here before and you're coming back to spend more time with me, you are simply amazing. Thank you so much. You guys make my day each and every day. You guys spend time with me. So there's the lovely trees, and now I'm going to do the other side as well. So let's get going with that. Like I said, a nice pop of green in a planner is always so stunning to me. So that's what I'm going for. And I love these trees. So I'm going to go ahead and start and put this right at the edge. And I'm going to put these little clusters to make it look like a full forest. So bear with me as I do that. Like I said, it's going to be a little bit, and then we're going to go ahead and use a whole bunch of boxes in this spread, as this week is going to be quite busy for me. So yeah, let's go ahead and do the checklist so I don't forget that this planner needs to be functional for me, and then we'll go from there. So first and foremost, let's do all of the checklists on the top. That's how I wanted to kind of make this a week flow. And then all the other ones on the other side, they're going to be in the middle. And then I can decorate the top and so on and work with the boxes. I think that'll be the best course of action for me, as it will be clean and kind of visual, and my eye will be going to the checklists. So yeah, decorational wise, like I said, pretty simple this week. I went a little crazy last week with like so much stuff in there that this week I think I wanted to keep it a little cleaner. When I do flip throughs and I see like all of these planners that are super clean and like not overwhelmed with checklist and stuff, I love them. It's just not functional for me to do that. I actually live off of checklists, so yeah, that's why. So these little guys I'm going to be putting in here are going to be for my work, like my work schedule. I keep my hours in here to kind of know how much I worked each week. So yeah, we'll go from there. And then I need bigger boxes to be able to add in there to do all the other stuff, you know? Like the one thing a day, like most important, or an appointment, or whatever is happening with my dog. I like to track that, like if he's in daycare or if he's at somebody's house being watched. So all of these things are kind of in there for that purpose. So yeah, we're gonna add the box right there. So these are dark green. I know it's probably showing darker than what it is, but they are pretty dark. So yeah, so there's that. And then Sunday is a Groundhog Day. So that is super fun. Hopefully spring will be here soon. That's what I'm hoping for. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and go back into this line of trees here and see if I can add smaller ones throughout to kind of add a little bit more decoration to my planner. But I also want to add quotes, so let's do that first. So all about the winter, because we're right in the middle of it. Let's add a couple more. I love snuggle and watch it snow. So yeah, that's a good one. Let's go ahead and do that. I'll cut the edge off in a second. I really love the quotes in the back, especially because they have so many different fonts in here right now. I love it. Winter is not a season, it's a celebration. Hello, winter. No surprise there, right? That's like a standard thing to put in your planner. And I think I want one more above the big trees, so let's do that. How about Baby It's Cold Outside? I think that's just like such a pretty font. So yeah, for right now, I think that is okay quote wise. I'm gonna add a little bit more of those trees just to add a thing. I'm gonna cut this one at the edge to see if I can fit it better. Yeah, that looks nice. That looks like, you know, it's in a distance. It's super nice. What do you guys think? I'm gonna add another one right there, and that's going to kind of fill up that page with the green and the blue right in the middle. Like this shades, these two or multiple shades of green and blues are so stunning to me. I just can't get over it. But that is basically my whole spread. Let me know what you guys think about this one. I know it's very simplistic compared to last week's, but I love it. I can't wait to write in it, and I'll see you guys soon for another video. And I hope you guys have a very nice week full of winter adventures and staying warm and cozy. Have a good day. Bye.